Hello, today we are on board the Tropical Star. I'm Darran and I'm going to give you an introduction to the boat, what life-saving equipment we have, what safety features the boat has, and what the fishing layout for the boat is. Tropical Star is a 32-foot boat and we can easily fish up to 4 anglers off this boat, but it's ideal for 3 anglers at one time. The boat is fully certified for the area that we ply in, and if we go and have a look here at the safety features that we have, again we have our distress alert transponder, first aid kit, an AIS integrated GPS, an onboard VHF, battery jumper cables, fire extinguishers, plenty of fuel capacity up to 600 liters, twin 200 Suzuki engines on it. We have our life buoys on top of the T-top, plenty of rod holders all around the T-top. Life jackets and additional fire extinguishers are again in the forward hatch, which you can see on all our boats. They are located in the same place. Additional fire extinguishers. Let's get these in for a moment. So we can just go over the casting area. Like on all our boats, we have a casting cage up front and plenty of casting space on the main deck for another 2 anglers. An additional angler can also fish off the back of the boat. In here, we also have a macerator operated toilet. Again, remember not to flush any foreign objects in the toilet. This boat as well has got plenty of fuel capacity, and with a tank capacity of over 600 liters, we can pretty much fish anywhere that we want to in a single day. We welcome you to the Tropical Star and hope you have an enjoyable time fishing with us at Game Fishing Asia in the Andaman Islands.